Experience culinary innovation at its finest with the COSORI Air Fryer TurboBlaze 6.0-Quart. This compact yet powerful air fryer redefines cooking with its versatility, speed, and health-conscious design. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a novice cook, the TurboBlaze air fryer is sure to revolutionize your kitchen experience. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and welcome the COSORI Air Fryer TurboBlaze 6.0-Quart Compact Air Fryer into your kitchen. Unmatched versatility. With 9-in-1 functionality, the TurboBlaze Air Fryer offers a diverse range of cooking options to suit every palate. From air frying and roasting to baking and dehydrating, this appliance does it all with ease. Say goodbye to cluttered countertops and hello to streamlined cooking with the TurboBlaze Air Fryer. Superior cooking performance. Say goodbye to unevenly cooked meals. The TurboBlaze Air Fryer's 5-speed airflow system ensures perfectly even cooking, delivering superior results with every use. Whether you're cooking meat, vegetables, or desserts, you can trust that your food will be cooked to perfection every time. Lightning-fast cooking. Who has time to wait around for meals to cook? With the TurboBlaze Air Fryer, you'll enjoy lightning-fast cooking times. Thanks to its standard DC motors, this air fryer cooks up to 46% faster than the old COSORI series, saving you precious time in the kitchen without compromising on flavor or texture. Easy to follow instructions and recipes. Not sure where to start? No problem. The TurboBlaze Air Fryer comes with step-by-step visual instructions that make cooking a breeze, even for beginners. Plus, with access to our comprehensive online recipe library and video tutorials, you'll have all the expert guidance you need to unleash your inner chef. Healthier cooking with less oil. Say goodbye to greasy, unhealthy meals. With up to 95% less oil than traditional deep frying, the TurboBlaze Air Fryer allows you to enjoy all your favorite fried foods without the guilt. From crispy fries to golden chicken wings, you can indulge in your favorite treats without compromising on your health. Compact and convenient design. Save valuable counter space with the TurboBlaze Air Fryer's compact design. Whether you're cooking for one or a crowd, this air fryer's 6-quart capacity and space-saving design make it the perfect addition to any kitchen. Plus, with its dishwasher-safe components, cleaning up is a breeze, allowing you to spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying delicious meals. Why you need it? The COSORI Air Fryer TurboBlaze 6.0-Quart isn't just a kitchen appliance, it's a game changer. With its unmatched versatility, lightning-fast cooking times, and health-conscious design, this air fryer empowers you to cook with confidence and creativity. Elevate your cooking game with the TurboBlaze Air Fryer and experience the difference for yourself. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.